Assalamu alaikum. I am Madiha, lecturer in economics from Government Girls Degree College, Jacobabad. Today my topic is love demand from microeconomics. First of all, it is very important to distinguish between demand and desire. Desire simply refers to wish of a person to have a particular commodity, and demand refers to desire backed by the ability and willingness to pay for a particular commodity. This is the main difference. Demand is always refers to price at a given period of time. Without reference to price, demand is meaningless. Demand is a function of price and can be expressed as D equal to F. Demand law is based on law of diminishing marginal utility, and it is applicable on ordinary things. Now we have types of demand: price demand, income demand, gross demand. Price demand refers to various quantities of goods and services that consumer purchase at a given time in the market at various prices. Income demand. Income demand refers to various quantities of goods and services will be purchased by consumer at various level of income. Gross demand. Gross demand refers to quantities of goods which will be purchased by consumer in response to change in price of interrelated goods. These interrelated goods may be substitute goods or complementary goods. Now we have individual demand. Individual demand refers to quantity demanded by an individual consumer. From the table, we can easily understand that when price is 80, quantity demand for a single consumer in a market is 2. When price is 70, quantity demand increase from 2 to 4. When price is 60, quantity demand increase 4 to 6. When price is 50, quantity demand also increase from 6 to 10. Now we have market demand. Market demand is the sum of all individual demands in the market. From the table we can easily understand at different prices, different consumer can buy different quantities of goods in the market. At price 15, Bilal purchased 2 units, Ahmed purchased 3 units, Atif purchased 1 unit, Zishan purchased 3 units. At 10, quantity demanded by all individual increase. Bilal purchased 4 units, Ahmed purchased 5 units, Atif purchased 4 units, Zishan purchased 4 units. Now we have law of demand. Law of demand states that other things remains constant. Law of demand shows negative relationship between price. It is always downward sloping. Law of demand apply on ordinary things or commodity. It is not applicable on luxury goods. Other things means consumer taste, fashion, income must be remain constant, otherwise this law will not hold. These are the limitations of law of demand. Suppose there is change in taste or fashion. According to law of demand, when price fall, demand is expected to increase. But if in the meantime consumer taste have changed, or if the commodity has gone out of fashion, may not be demanded even if the price fall. These are limitations of law of demand. Now we have expansion and contraction in demand. When quantity demanded of commodity changes due to change in its price, keeping other factors constant, this change will cause expansion and contraction in demand movement along the same demand curve. From the graph, we can easily understand that when price is OP, quantity demand is OQ. When price is OP to OP1, quantity demand increase from OQ to OQ1. This is expansion and demand. As price increases from P1 to P2, quantity demanded for a good decrease from OQ1 to OQ2. This is contraction and demand. Expansion and contraction demand takes place movement along the same demand curve. In the last, we have increase and decrease in demand. Increase and decrease in demand are refer to change in demand due to change in various other factors such as change in income, distribution of income, change in consumer taste and preferences, change in prices of related goods, keeping the price factor constant. Increase and decrease in demand move the demand curve towards the right and towards the left. Rightward position of demand curve caused due to increase in demand and leftward movement caused by decrease in demand. That's all. If you have any question regarding my lecture, you can ask on comment section. Thank you.